Mabuhay, this is Bob from Love Beyond the Sea. Maybe one more tape here from this vegetable garden area at Eden Nature Park, Davao City, Philippines. All kinds of trails. Isa's up there somewhere flying the drone. Just want to show you before it gets too dark. We're staying overnight here, Eden Nature Park. And that's very cool up here in the mountain resort, 80 hectares. Last time we were here, we got a shuttle tour. Just a lot of winding roads. These roads, though, aren't really that, they're pretty good. They're in pretty good shape, of course, because it's such a popular resort. Going to sleep well tonight, walking around as much as we have here in this beautiful area. Just listen to that. Wind rustling through these trees. Thought I heard some water somewhere. Vacation, April 2022, in the Philippines. It almost sounds like rain. I don't feel it. Nice place to get away, that's for sure. 9,800 miles from home. Isa's been working hard at school too, and she deserves a break. So we've been seeing family, flying the drone, trying to see different places that we haven't seen in the other 4 times that I have been here. Certainly logging the miles here, walking around today. Hopefully I'm not breathing too heavily. Very beautiful up here. Eden Nature Park.